People are calling the Yamaha MT-07 the most fun motorcycle in America right now. And some riders are even choosing it over bikes that cost twice as much. Yeah, it's gotten that serious. Because this bike doesn't care about looking polite. The second you fire it up, you already know what kind of machine this is. That deep parallel twin growl, the aggressive stance, the upright bars. Everything about the MT-07 feels like it was built to start trouble. And the crazy thing is, Yamaha didn't try to make this the fastest bike on the planet. They made it fun. That's why riders everywhere keep falling in love with it. You twist the throttle and the torque hits instantly. No waiting around, no lazy power delivery. It just pulls hard right from the bottom end. And in city traffic, this thing feels absolutely alive. But here's the real thing. The MT-07 is not just popular because it's quick. It's popular because it makes normal riding feel exciting again. Even cruising at regular speeds feels wild on this bike. And when the road opens up, different story. The lightweight chassis makes the bike feel insanely flickable. You lean once and suddenly you're attacking corners like you're on a supermoto. Riders keep saying the same thing after their first ride. This thing should not be this fun. And honestly, they're right. Now let's talk about the styling, because Yamaha definitely knew what they were doing here. The MT lineup already looks aggressive, but the MT-07 has this stripped-down Streetfighter vibe that younger riders especially love. Sharp headlight setup, muscular fuel tank, minimal bodywork. It looks like a machine built for chaos in downtown traffic, especially at night. That LED lighting gives the bike a seriously mean face. Pull up at a stoplight and people instantly know what it is. And this is where it gets interesting. There's growing speculation that Yamaha may continue pushing the MT-07 into even more premium territory over the next generation. Some riders are hoping for upgraded electronics, better suspension, maybe even more advanced rider aids. Nothing officially confirmed yet. But honestly, a lot of people are saying Yamaha should be careful not to ruin what makes this bike special, because the simplicity is part of the magic. You hop on, hit the starter, ride hard, smile instantly. No complicated menus, no overwhelming technology, just raw street riding fun. That's why the MT-07 works for so many different riders in the USA. Beginners love it because it feels approachable. Experienced riders love it because it still feels exciting. And stunt riders, yeah, they've basically turned this bike into a legend already. Scroll through social media and you'll see MT-07s everywhere. Wheelies, burnouts, highway pulls, mountain runs. This bike built an entire culture around itself, and Yamaha knows it. The aftermarket scene is massive too. Exhaust upgrades, tail tidies, tuners, crash cages, different handlebars. Everybody customizes their MT-07 differently, and that's part of the appeal. No two builds feel the same. Also, let's be honest, the sound matters. That CP2 engine has one of the best exhaust notes in the middleweight category. Deep, punchy, aggressive. Especially with a proper aftermarket pipe, this thing sounds way bigger than it actually is. And if you're enjoying this breakdown so far, hit that like button and subscribe, because we've got more insane motorcycle content coming every single week. Now here's something people don't talk about enough. The MT-07 is comfortable. Seriously, you can ride this thing daily without destroying your back or wrists. Upright seating position, wide bars, lightweight feel. It works in traffic, on back roads, and even for longer highway rides. That balance is hard to find. Usually bikes are either fun or practical. The MT-07 somehow manages to do both. Fuel economy is solid too, which matters right now because nobody wants to spend a fortune every time they hit the gas station. Riders can actually enjoy this bike daily without feeling punished financially. And despite all the hype, the MT-07 still stays relatively affordable compared to a lot of modern motorcycles hitting the market. That's another reason sales keep staying strong. But there is one thing that keeps dividing riders. Some people think the suspension is a little soft when you really push hard. Others say that's exactly what makes the bike comfortable and playful. So it really depends on how aggressive you ride. Still, for street riding, most owners absolutely love the setup.
And honestly, the MT-07 may have one of the best personalities in motorcycling right now. That's the word everybody uses, personality, because the bike feels alive underneath you. It reacts instantly. It wants to play. Every ride feels like an event, even if you're just heading to work or grabbing coffee. That emotional connection is rare these days. A lot of motorcycles are becoming so advanced they almost feel robotic. The MT-07 still feels mechanical, raw, real, and that's exactly why people are obsessed with it. So now the big question: has Yamaha already perfected the middleweight naked bike formula with the MT-07, or should the next version become even more advanced? Drop your thoughts in the comments, because this debate is getting serious.